Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to blend sounds into words. So you need to have this worksheet, page 177. Blending sounds into words. You can break words into sounds and blend the sounds to make words. And you also need your markers or your colored pencils or your colored crayons. And we're going to do this worksheet together. Okay? So first of all, kindergarten, I would like you to listen. I will say all the sounds in a word. Listen. R, A, K. When I put those sounds together, I get the word rake. Okay? That was just a practice one. So then I would have colored the rake if we would have been starting. Okay. Listen again. We'll try another one. B-I-K. When you put those sounds together, you get the word, right, kindergarten, bike. Okay? So number one, now look at your worksheet. And number one, you see two pictures. Remember, you can break the words into sounds and then put the sounds together to make a word. Okay, number one. I-V. What's the word? Right, kindergarten, 5. When you blend those sounds together, you get the word 5. So color the picture of the 5. Okay, I'm going to say some sounds again. Listen. Number 2. G, A, M. Blend those sounds together and you get the word. Good job, kindergarten. Game. Color the picture of the game. Number 3. Listen to the sounds and blend them together. K, I, T. Right, kindergarten. Kite. Color the picture of the kite. Number 4. Okay. Ready? N-I-N. Blend them together. What do you get when you blend those sounds together? Good job, kindergarten. 9. Number 5. T-A-P. Blend those sounds together and you get the word what? Yes, kindergarten. Tape. Color the picture of tape. Okay, we're on the last one, kindergarten. Good job. V-A-S. Let's try that one again. V-A-Z. Right, kindergarten. Vase. Vase. So color the picture of the vase. Okay, kindergarten. Good job. See you later. Thanks for working with me, kindergarten. Bye.